Hi, I'm Eric Myron with Coldwell Banker Burnett Realty. Welcome to 2550 Spirit Knob Road in Woodland, Minnesota. Let's have a look inside. Upon entering this great home, you're going to see this incredible great room, soaring vaulted ceilings, the formal living and dining, looking out onto the lake, an absolutely glorious environment. The lovely master suite includes a vaulted bedroom, which overlooks the lake, and a private hallway, which brings you down to 2 private bathrooms, one a full bath, one a spacious 3/4 bath. This is the wonderful casual entertaining area of the home. Vaulted family room with fireplace and built-in TV, a wonderful bar, and a huge center island kitchen that overlooks not only the lake, but a huge exposed aggregate patio, wonderful for lakeside entertaining. This is what makes this property truly, truly special. Again, we have approximately 230 feet of level lakeshore overlooking the main lower lake of Lake Minnetonka, facing essentially due west all the way out to Big Island. The property is all rip-wrapped along the shoreline. The shoreline is good sand beach, wonderful recreational lakeshore. Makes this truly a special, special property. This 1989 built soft contemporary consists of 4,800 square feet all on one floor. It's set in the incredible location of Maple Woods, which is on the eastern shore of Lake Minnetonka, comprising of about 55 private exclusive homes. Thanks for taking a look. I'm Eric Myron with Coldwell Banker Burnett Realty.